Hello lovelies, welcome back to Alakeoge YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is on how to make this scrunchy headband. So if this is something that you want to learn how to make, please continue to watch this video. So this pieces is 8 inches wide and 40 inches long, and the second one is 3 inches wide and 50 inches long. The third one is 2 inches wide and 14 inches long, while the elastic is 7 inches long. So these are all the materials that we need for this tutorial for the scrunchy headband. So you can use any material you want. You can use any, but bridal satin is most recommended one. So you fold the fabric into two and you go take it to your sewing machine and run a stitch straight. You do that for the main piece and also for the elastic casing. Elastic casing is one that is 3 inches by 15 inches long. So I've already sewed it at the side using half inch. So I'm going to turn it out. So you can use your hand or you use your safety pin, whichever one that is okay for you. You can just turn it in, turn it to the right side, which I've already done, like so. So this I just turn it in using my hand. And so let the joint part be at the center. Let it be at the center. Then I'm going to turn the elastic casing too. So I'm just still showing us how it looks. Then I'll be turning the elastic casing by using a safety pin. Just insert the safety pin inside, then close it, then you turn it inside so as to bring it out from the other side. So I'm just turning it right there. So I've already turned it inside out. So you can go ahead and iron the elastic casing, but it's optional. So I didn't iron mine, and the main fabric too, you're not ironing that. So the next thing I'll do is to insert the elastic into the elastic casing using the safety pin. You just put it inside and run, just insert it. So the elastic is 7 inches long and the wideness of the elastic that I use is 1 inch. So just do that, just insert it there. So I've already done that. So make sure you can pin it at the side so that the elastic will not pull inside. Whatever you want to do, you can pin it, or you just take it straight to your sewing machine and just tack it down. So whichever one that you do is fine. So the next thing I'll do is to use the third pieces, which will serve as the lining for the main piece. So I'm just going to insert that into the main piece through using the safety pin. I use safety pin to do this. So you can use your loop turner, but safety pin is really advisable. So I turn it in and use my pin. I use pin to just hold it down at the edge while I'll continue to pull it out through the other side. That is how you're going to do that. So to sew this, to join this together, place where you place your elastic, the elastic casing, place in the middle, then you just fold in the rest of the fabric like I did just now, and you pin it down, or you just take it to the sewing machine and run a stitch across. And you're going to do that exact thing for the other side. Place it at the middle, then you fold the rest of the fabric around it. This will give it a bit of a kind of edge, a curve at the same edge there. So once we wear it, you're going to know how it's going to look like. So this method is going to make it to have a flat seam, yeah, like so. Just gonna run a stitch across it like so. So I've already run the stitch and cut off the excess thread. See how it looks beautiful inside. There's no need to just overlock it, it hides the seam right there. And this is how the crunchy band looks like. I would recommend bridal satin for the main piece. That's where I use Ankara. Please use bridal satin to give it more structure. So that's all for this tutorial. Please give this tutorial a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video. So this is how it looks like. It would have been better if I use bridal satin, but look, what still looks beautiful. So you can style it whichever way you want to. I style it another way right there. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.